Social media is full with footages of tiger attacking sub-adult gore or isolated females or cubs, and there's practically no visual documentation of tiger killing bull gore, even though it's a regular part of tiger ecology and happens rather frequently in certain Indian forests like Tadoba, Bhadra, Bandipur, Nagarhole.
Multiple times that's tiger killer dog.
Adult bull gore.
Yeah, adult bull.
Okay.
But till now I haven't seen that live killing. So only while eating only I've seen.
Even though I have shown that the tiger is feeding on the carcass, a certain skepticism may arise that how do you know it's a real predation? This can be just a tiger scavenging on an already dead animal. Because tigers are also opportunistic scavengers. If such a huge biomass available freely, why will tiger hunt? If you do not see the hunt, how do you know that it's a real tiger predated upon the bull gore? See, most of the time, tigers go for bull gore at late evening or night when nobody is there to witness. Camera traps are also not available everywhere. Even if tiger charges towards a gore herd in broad daylight, like I have shown Karate Mill is doing in Bandipur, most of the time, such struggle, if it is successful, it leads towards dense undergrowth. And then what happens? The explosive charge and the gore also will start defending itself. The entire process often goes completely outside of people's vicinity. So there's hardly any visual documentation on record because it's not like African savanna that a lion pride will take down Cape buffalo and people can witness it from from a really long distance with clear visibility. Indian jungles are extremely dense. Tigers usually operate very surreptitiously. So mostly what happens is that safari guides hear alarm calls even if the hunt happens in daylight. By the time they reach the spot, the kill already has happened. A tiger may stalk goats for hours, even for days, but the ultimate hunt takes a couple of seconds, and then the tiger will actually sit for a long time holding the throat, and people then can see for hours tiger dragging carcass. But even from a carcass, one can figure out whether it's a real tiger predation or not, or whether the tiger is just feeding on the gore. How we can differentiate, I will discuss later. But I just want to let you know that I have actually documented the entire hunt sequence of a male tiger in Tadoba called Shambhu. I will make that entire hunt available in the next long documentary. So if you are interested, keep a tab on my channel. And meanwhile, you can watch this video if you haven't seen it.